It's Diecast Dave here. I got a giveaway unboxing that I won from Diecast Loonie. It arrived today in Virginia, all the way from Cornwall, UK. Already peeked, sorry. Here's the box. I better not show the, I just want to show it, I don't want to show the address. It's a restored Lesney. It's mighty awesome. Thank you, buddy. I think it's the first Lesney that I've had collecting. I remember having them as a kid. I don't know, 45 years ago, I guess. It's well packaged. It's in a Ziploc baggie if I can get it open. Here we go. Go comment, like, comment, and subscribe to his channel as well as mine if you want to. It's a Matchbox Super Fast. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Number 32 Maserati Bora, made in England, 1972 Lesney. It's beautiful. He restored the paint on it. And I believe it's got brand new wheels and tires on it. The door's open. The interior's pretty blue. I hope y'all can see this. I'll sit on my new turntable. Not quite centered, but you can see it. Ain't that nice? Let me adjust here just a little. Now. Ain't that a beautiful car? And that is a great restoration. That's better than new. I sure do appreciate it, Diecast Loonie. I'm glad to see it made it across the pond. The first of my Lesney collection. Yeah, I'll go subscribe to his channel. Tell him I sent you if you want to. That car is just beautiful. This video don't do it justice. Truly beautiful casting. And a Maserati as well. It's one of my favorite supercars. And catch y'all on the flip side.